Hey friends! In this video, I'm going to show you some of the things I ate this week as a gluten-free vegan. Pretty chill, pretty laid back, just an honest, unpolished look at my meals that I thought were pretty yummy, simple, and nutritious. So this is breakfast number one. I'm having toast with peanut butter, hemp hearts, cacao nibs, some sliced bananas, and cinnamon. And Brad's having the same, except his is with sunflower seed butter, because his tummy doesn't really like peanut butter that much. Yeah, it's quick, it's easy, delicious. It's not the most filling thing in the world, but I mean, we're about to head out grocery shopping right now, so we both haven't eaten anything yet this morning, and it's never a good idea to go to the grocery store when you're hungry. So we're just having a really quick little bite, and then when we get home, we'll probably make a smoothie as well, which is what we usually do. Alright, we're having our green smoothie now that we're home from grocery shopping. We've got some orange juice, spinach, I think there's kale in there, or there will be some soon, cucumber, celery, green apple. We've got some whole limes. I don't know where they're hiding, but they're under there. Yeah, they're buried, but we've got 2 limes in there. Also adding in a big old wad of ginger that is like literally half the size of my hand. I don't usually add this much ginger, but I'm just really feeling like some ginger. And we have some banana. I have recently been adding about half a bunch of mint to each of my smoothies. And we've also been adding in some frozen broccoli, just cause, you know, extra health, extra greens. Once we've blended it up for the most part, then we go back and add some frozen fruit. Got some frozen mango. I think we're gonna add some of this here frozen pineapple. Delicious. Yummy. I smell the cucumber and the mint. Ooh, lime, it's good. When you have like the first sour thing touch your taste buds, it's like, ooh, but it's really good. This is lunch, a very late lunch. It's almost 3 o'clock. And it's leftovers from our dinner last night. It's some curried green beans with chickpeas and tomatoes. I also have some leftover soy curls from a different meal actually yesterday. I made pitas and I just cooked up some soy curls with a little bit of hot sauce and soy sauce, and so those are some leftovers. And we ate this last night over some grains. This is a blend that I just mixed in the pot of red quinoa, brown basmati rice, and red lentils. So yeah, actually it's a hack that I recently just learned, that if you're looking to kind of up your protein intake and add some variety to your rice or grains, then mix up your grains. Add some legumes like red lentils. It's a nice little change from the usual. I would say that I probably make some form of curry dish probably once a week. So easy, so yummy. I don't know, I love curry. I love spicy food, and I find that curries are just a really easy meal that don't take very long to cook. You know, if you have some sort of legume, like chickpeas, or lentils, cook that up in some red sauce, get yourself a bunch of spices, and I mean like go hard on the spices. Whatever vegetables you have in your fridge, I sometimes just do a fridge cleaner curry where I take whatever vegetables I have left in my fridge or my pantry. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, zucchinis, tomatoes, carrots. Just cook them up with some onion and garlic if I have any. If I don't, that's okay. And yeah, make myself a delicious little curry. We're making brunch for dinner, so gonna make some tofu scramble. Got some roasted garlic and oil heating up in a pan over there. I'm gonna cook some hash browns in there. And I'm gonna mind my phone charger cord because my phone's almost dead. Oops. Forgot that happened. Gonna also fry up some veggies here. Quite the rainbow. Just adding a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of paprika just for a little bit of heat. If I find that the eggs or tofu is drying out a little bit, I usually just add a little bit of unsweetened soy milk to the tofu just to help it cream up a little bit. Gives it a little bit of extra moisture so it's not so dry. I have this seasoning for making your tofu taste like eggs. It's delicious. It has just a few spices, predominantly turmeric and black salt, even though it doesn't say black salt, that's what it is. Also, this stuff is really great because black salt tastes kind of sulfuric, so it makes your food kind of taste like eggs. Actually, it makes it really taste like eggs, so don't mind my mess here. If you haven't tried kalinamak, definitely try making your own tofu scramble. Add a little bit of turmeric, add a little bit of kalinamak, salt and pepper, a little bit of extra plant milk, throw in some cheese, throw in some green onions, which I'm actually about to do here, and you've got yourself, yeah, a really delicious little breakfast dish. And here's dinner. I was about to say lunch. Should have really said here's breakfast. That's what we're eating tonight. It's a beautiful thing. So good, so good. I need to have breakfast for dinner more often. This is awesome. Seriously, why don't we have breakfast for dinner more often? Like, I can't remember the last time we did this.
I don't know, man.
Good morning. This is my breakfast. This is leftovers from last night. Last night's breakfast for dinner is now breakfast for breakfast. It's really yummy looking. It's just everything packed into a pita, gluten-free pita. Got that tofu scramble. I added some extra spinach, those sauteed peppers, and there's a few hash browns in there too. And then I just added some salsa in there for a little extra flavor. Should be delicious. Can confirm, it is delicious. Delicious green smoothie. Again, yum. Lunchtime, so I have whipped up, or I'm in the process of whipping up some chickpea salad. I've got mashed chickpeas here, I've got some celery, some chopped broccoli, green onions, and I'm gonna add a little bit of this plant-based mayo and some old-fashioned Dijon, and I'm gonna eat it in some romaine lettuce, like little lettuce wraps. Yeah, it should be really good. Also added a little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm gonna do a little bit of garlic powder. It's not bad. I think it needs a little bit of lemon juice or something just to liven it up a bit. Okay, yeah, much better. A little salt, a little lemon juice. It's perfect.
Bratty likey.
That's yummy.
For dinner, I baked some soy curls that I tossed in barbecue sauce, plus some red onion and corn, and served it on a rather hearty bed of greens and drizzled some plum sauce on top. This was a big bowl and it was so good and filling.
Hello from Wednesday. Yes, we're eating the chickpea broccoli salad again because it's just so good and yeah, delicious. I made a reel for on my Instagram and also a YouTube short, so definitely check it out if you want to see the recipe. I have leftover pie filling and pie crust to make a funny looking galette. How cute it is! Aww, can't wait to eat it. We ordered in tonight because I've been busy filming all day and just didn't really feel like cooking, so this is from Steve's Poke Bar. And we've got tofu, corn, edamame, pickled ginger, and don't fully know what this is, but it looks delicious. I don't know, Brad ordered it. And it looks really good. So, yeah, cheers. Can confirm, it is delicious.
I didn't film very much this day, but I did make these super yummy and so fudgy coconut cranberry protein bars. I recently did a full video as well that's linked up top for the original recipe I adapted these from. 7 ingredients to heaven, people.
Okay, here's my dinner for tonight. It is Friday today. This here is my buttered chickpeas recipe. I added some extra zucchini to it just because it needed to get used up, and it's delicious, so why not? And I'm eating it over a bed of mixed grains, brown rice,
red lentils, and red quinoa. This is basically just super simple. I make this a lot. It only takes like 20-25 minutes tops to make. Canned chickpeas, garlic, onions, ginger if you like, a little bit of tomato paste diluted in some water, and a little bit of coconut milk. And it's simple, easy, and delicious. We like this and we eat it a lot. So good. Saturday night dinner. I enjoyed that poke bowl, or the vegan poke bowl from Steve's Poke Bar the other night so much that I decided to recreate my own. I got some tofu, some edamame, I got some fresh carrots, some nori snack sheets that I sliced up, and I've got it on a bed of some leftover rice, red lentils, red quinoa, delicious, filling. So yeah, this is a protein-packed dinner that was so easy. This took me like 15 minutes to whip up. And yeah, I'm excited. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this helps spark some creativity in your plant-based cooking adventures. If you liked this video, do me a solid and hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome vegan recipes. Hope to see you in a future video.